Them say the industry open, but me push and still get locked. Every tune me craft with fire, yet them stash it to the back. See man a rise off gimmick, while my voice cut deep like steel. But the gatekeeper them act like real talent can't seal a deal. Yeah, me grind from morn till nightfall, heart beating strong in every bar. Still them choose the hype sensation, selling dream for reach the star. Yeah, me nah beg no favor, me stand for my own 2 feet. But my question burn inside, how long till them admit me? Why not me? We put the whole soul in a the mic and them still can't see. Why not me? Man chant shoot them afraid fi touch, so them shift and flee. Why not me? Me rise tough raw, heavy with the grit where them can't decree. Why not me? If talent talk for itself, then me shoulda dep on top already. Them push the trending puppet, dress him up like him a king. While my craft's on with power, that make whole dance floor swing. Them love this safe little gimmick, sanitized for the mainstream lane. While my spit shoot straight raw, with passion soaked in pain. Hey, my lyrics cut through silence, them paint picture man feel deep. But them rather deep plastic chorus where the suits can easily keep. Hey, still me hold firm in a purpose, because greatness can be rushed. But it bitter when the real one get muted and the frauds get pushed. Why not me? Me drop pure flame in every line and still them look away. Why not me? Them celebrate the weak art style and push me tune astray. Why not me? My voice full strength like thunder rolling on a rainy day. Why not me? Me deserve that stage and spotlight, same like anybody out there. Hey. Why not me? My hustle hard, my spirit bright, my craft no stray. Why not me? Me ready for take over, just give me one chance to play. Me no bow for approval, me no switch up fi fit them all. Me keep the rugged seat nature, every breath fierce loud bowl. Them fear the recreation, cause me no follow copy trend. My music dark revolution, shape foundation to the end. Yeah. All the nights me spend rehearse, perfect in tone and flow. Yet them crown the mimic champion, while my legacy moves slow. Still my heart refuse for crumble, my destiny set in place. One day the world a go hear me, and them can't deny my face. Yeah. Why not me? Me bring the real fire where them pretend fi carry. Why not me? My voice stand tall, strong, rugged, never sorry. Why not me? My destiny big, my craft too potent fi bury. Why not me? The world soon know my name, watch greatness come in a hurry. Hey. Why not me?